Ravi's International School. Trust assured for your child. A sprawling, safe and home-like campus for residential and day scholars. Call 7331
It's always great to see you, as handsome, as active all time. So what you say, I was just listening to your speech that AI and machine cannot replace good doctors. What is your take on that?
Of course, machines are machines. However, into the future you go, we are social beings. We cannot talk to a machine. We cannot. We are social beings, and finally, it's the doctor who's going to do the final feeding into the machine, looking at a patient, finding out his problem, all of this. But it's a great combination. A good machine along with a great doctor is going to do wonders for us patients in the future when we move forward. And this is going to be a phenomena, which is the AI is taking over all fields. There's nothing new. Right now, AI is doing great work for medical field by doing data analysis, and they're already using it extensively. And even with this Luke Skywalker machine, from what I heard with the demo, it looks like it's going to do a lot of work. But it stops from a human mistake. If, sometimes, being human, you commit mistakes.
Yes.
So it make sure that the doctor is not committing that mistake.
And so you just talk about your knee replacement. When you started getting pain and how long you struggled and you overcome that?
No, I did not have a knee replacement.
Okay, that's why you avoided that, right? But
I
you were,
avoided that.
How? We'd like to know that.
With a lot of, he helped me give the regenerative things. I used a lot of PRP and some lubricating fluids, which he researched and got them for me. And he did that. But that's just not it. I work extensively now, even if I don't have pain also, that I do rehab every morning for that knee.
When this problem started, sir?
This problem started 15 years ago.
Okay, but it doesn't look like.
15 years ago.
Okay.
But I make sure I'm all right. I give it a lot of time. I don't want to have a surgery. I'm going to avoid surgery as much as I can.
Okay.
Yeah.
But sir, what are the fitness? Obviously, people are asking, but every year, the fitness plan changes according to your health, according to your age. So what is the latest fitness funda you are following up?
It's the same funda, consistency. There's no shortcut, there's no switch on, switch off. You keep doing it, your body is the best machine ever made. And it reacts to it beautifully and it corrects itself. And all you have to do is give it some time every day. And don't feed it trash.
Okay.
All the trash you get outside, give it good food, give it good fuel, and it reacts beautifully. And consistency is the mantra for me, that I don't give up.
Okay.
And I make sure it's all right. And
Okay, and a little bit, sir, about this. We can see you in a new avatar, new upcoming role that you really wanted to work, or as a doctor, we can see you playing a good role, because now you have a good friendship with doctors. I can see on the stage.
No. The right role has to come.
For you at this age, Bollywoods are coming, capturing a big market. You are capturing it. What do you have to say on that, sir?
No, it's great. What do you mean?
I mean, all that funda is happening, collaborations are happening. Your all movies have been going.
I'm very happy India has become a smaller place now.
Yeah.
Very, very happy. It has become one. There is no language barrier at all.
Yes.
I'm so very happy about
Any
that.
upcoming projects, sir? We can see you. We eagerly waiting.
Doing my 100th film, just started about a couple of weeks back.
Okay.
Not yet named, which I plan to release sometime in 2026. I'm working on that now.
And in social media, as a last question, that you are promoting from father to grandfather. How true it is? You're getting a promotion. The social media.
I'll let you know when the time is right.
Yeah.
Sir.
With a solution at that time, and it worked brilliantly. And it's been 5 years now, and I have no issue. I have no issue with that knee, and I still go to him, and he keeps checking. And ఆయన చెప్పిన one of the things what I followed was regular rehab, and I never let it go. And ప్రభాత్ గారు అది ఒకటే కాదు, అండ్ ఆయన ఎప్పుడు న్యూ మెడిసిన్స్, న్యూ టెక్నాలజీ, న్యూ ఏమొస్తుంది ఆయనే అప్పుడప్పుడు ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్తూ ఉంటారు. నేను ఏం విన్నా కూడా ఆయనకి పంపుతూ ఉంటాను. అండి ఇదేదో కొత్తగా వచ్చింది, ఒకసారి కనుక్కొని చెప్పండి, ఇదేనా మీ పేషెంట్స్ పనికి వస్తుందా వేరే వాళ్ళకి అని చెప్తూ ఉంటాను. అండ్ ఇట్ సీమ్స్ వెరీ ప్రామిసింగ్. I hope I don't have to use it, but there is a good possibility I might have to use it sometime, because I know I cannot make this knee last forever. I have been trying very, very hard, but I know that there is a possibility, and this gives me hope. But the more hope is the doctor who's going to operate it. That is what is very, very important. And I have complete confidence in this man, because I had gone through his treatments before. And no robot, no nothing is, no machine is going to replace a surgeon, a good surgeon or a good man. I mean, no robot is going to replace that warm smile and the warm handshake, and no robot is going to listen to you and assure you and comfort you. And that is what a good doctor does. A good doctor is someone who listens, comforts you, and gives you the confidence. And that is Dr. Prabhat for me. And please give a big hand for that. And with the new technologies that are coming, as I read, I go through the new technologies that are coming with stem cells, which is already experimenting. And I have a friend at ARIT, Dr. Sairam. He's also experimenting. He's also researching on stem cells. With collaborations of this, collaboration of Skywalker, Dr. Prabhat, and stem cells, and it can do wonders. The age of medicine is, I believe, is going to change in the next 5 years, 10 years. And as I know it, I'll go a little away from orthopedic this thing. As I know it, the lifespan of an Indian male or any male is around 70 to between 70 and 73 healthy lifespan. And soon, I think, in the next 10 years, that is going to go at least increase by another 10 years or 15 years. All these things which are coming right now, it is not to live long, but to live with dignity, live with health, and a quality life. So that is very, very important. And I think all these new technologies and all the new doctors who inviting this technology is going to make that very. It's going to happen very soon. And the percentage, the people who are going to be relevant, whether it's a doctor, whether it's an actor, whether it's an engineer, is just 10% of the world population. These are the people who are early adapters. And when I heard Skywalker is here in Hyderabad for the first time, I think ARIT Hospitals is an early adapter, and it's going to do wonders for them. So I can keep going on, but thank you for having me here. And I've been to ARIT Hospital. They have done a few little things on my knee that Dr. Prabhat has worked on it. Dr. Sairam has worked on it, on my knee, and I have some issues. And I'm doing great. I'm doing fine. So, thank you so much. And I wish the Skywalker is going to make many, many people pain-free, and they're going to give them a pain-free solution. Looks like we have done about 30, and I heard 30. It's not 95% success rate. It's 100% success rate. And God bless. Thank you.